Fine then. Since you insist, I'll tell you what Lord Rimuru actually said. I'm supposed to try my best to make sure you don't die.
Cause they know I'm the I-T-G-I-R-L. You know I am that girl. Bitch, don't kiss and tell. It go from A-T-L. I-T-G-I-R-L. You know I
Believe it or not, I have a little trouble with chopping up produce. I always take out the whole building with the stems.
Hold up, you destroy whole buildings when you're chopping?
Yes. My Hercules edge is fantastically sharp, but I'm afraid it's a bit on the long side.
You use that for cooking?
Yep.
Since I was a child, I've always thought nothing was impossible. But it seems I was overconfident.
I don't even know what he's trying to say.
To use another blade would be infidelity. I shall not budge.
Wow, you don't say. I was gonna give you a cooking knife as a gift, but never mind now.
I was wrong. I made a mistake. Even Hercules' edge says a little infidelity is fine.
I see. Then moving forward, use a proper knife. Got it?
Right.
Reporting straight out of the slums. From rags to riches, they got me some bitches. And I change up, I come. And the drop when your pockets got mumps. Just us for now. Let me know what's in about now.